In this video I'm going to show you guys how to crop a video on iPhone very quick and easy. So if you didn't know how to do that yet, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do, just open up your gallery and just select a video you want. I'm just going to select this one. This one is a rectangle size, as you can see, but I want it to be a square size, for example. So just click on edit at the top right corner and then just click on the icon at the right. So I'm just gonna swipe the left one to the more to the right and the right also a bit to the left, like this should be fine. Then just click on done and we'll wait up for a bit. And as you can see right now, it is square size. But if you want to change it back, for example, just click on edit at the top right corner again and click on revert at the bottom right corner. And then click on revert to original. As you can see, it is now back to the original size. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know if the comments If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.